How to make a saddle stitch book. First, you have your paper material, bone folder, pencil, eraser, and stapler. So what you want to do first is take 4 blank sheets and your cover and fold them into half. Take the bone folder, apply pressure from center outwards to your papers. And then after that, collate all the blank papers together, including the cover on the outside. So the next step, what you want to do is to stapler on the fold line. Open your entire book flat with the cover facing top and an eraser underneath. Take the stapler, find the position on the fold line, and then staple it down. Flip the book and then remove the eraser. Use your pencil and then fold down the 2 stapler ends that are sticking out. Just repeat that. And then use your bone folder and flatten the book. So you've noticed around the book, maybe some of the pages have moved positions or so. You want to trim that down, secure your ruler, and then just take your pen knife and then slice it downwards. Do it gently and just repeat the movement. You don't have to apply too much pressure. Repeat the same thing for both sides, but what you want to do is have the spine on the top and cut from the spine outwards. There you have it. This is a very simple saddle stitch, which you can actually do it with rough papers at home.